Oye, today we make pollo a la plancha. All you're gonna need is some limes, onions, pollito, and mahatama rice. Slice your breast in half. Saca plástico. Métele plomo. Oye, foolproof white rice. 1 cup of washed white rice. Un chingo de aceite. You let this baby cook for 17 Don't just stick a spoon into your rice and start mixing it. You're gonna grab a fork and you're gonna fluff your rice. Mira, fluff, fluff. Julienne an onion. Chingo de aceite. You come in with your pollito. If you don't hear that, llama la policía. We're gonna let this cook 4 minutes each. Give it a little flip. Mira eso. Add your onions around el pollito. Pollito's done. Plate your rice like Benihana. Come in with your pollito. Mira eso. Cebolla. Un pinky de parsley. Squeeze of lime juice. Mira eso. Your pollo a la plancha.